Hindi porket nag-iipon ka, yayaman ka na. Alam mo kung ba't ko nalaman? Kasi I was surrounded or I am surrounded by so many people na mga savers. Pag masyado kang nakahawak or nakakapit sa pera mo, takot na takot kang gastusin yung pera mo, lalong hindi yan mag-grow. Kasi masyado kang nakafocus na every cent tinutututukan mo. Alam mo ba ang downside pa niyan? Hindi ka talaga magiging masaya. Kasi all your time is devoted into making sure na yung savings mo nandiyan, that you forget to actually enjoy the fruits of your labor. Because always remember, money is an energy and money is meant to be spent, not only to be saved. So I urge you right now, kung masyado kang kapit na kapit sa pera, bitawan mo ng konti at i-enjoy mo lahat ng pinagtatrabahuhan mo ngayon. Masaya ka na at makikita mo, mas lalago pa ang pera mo.